So now that we've set up all the Golden Gate assembly reactions, we're ready to put it in the thermocycler. The thermocycler, as you will remember, does 2 temperature cycles. It will go to 37 degrees. What happens at 37 degrees? Right, the BSA1 cuts. And then it will go down to 16 degrees. And what happens there? DNA ligase, right? So
you can see the 2 tubes of DNA ligase on the left and BSA1 on the right.
Right? So we're going to go through those temperature cycles 20 times. So I'm just going to put the tubes in here, in these little holders.
You can see the 4 experimental tubes and the 1 negative control tube in the thermocycler.
This. And then I close this down and just snap it in. And then I'm going to do this this program that says Golden Gate Assembly Normal. And then I'm going to say start. And for some reason, I think it's going to ask me to start again. Now it's started. Okay, so we'll let this go. And after about an hour and a half, come back.